your screen. So I was alright, open it, guys. Hey, that's cool. That's cool. And if you haven't noticed, I'm on his Facebook account. You see that name right there, noob nerd underscore nerd boy. Well, I'm not actually on the or something. That's why I'm gonna do paintball and move this snowboard. Put it on. Yep. So, yeah. It looks awesome. Even with the hands, it's an so I'm using mobile right now. So I'm gonna do that later, and then yeah. So let me do that later. Also, I got the M6 in, of course. No, even on Oculus Plus 2, it might be harder than I thought. So, ready? Go. Ooh, okay. Okay, that's a little challenging right there. Alright. Okay. That was a little slow. Oh, alright, I did that. But I did manage to make it one. Oh, oh, that looks good. Oh yeah, I just did this. So no, guys. It was my other account. Well, not mine. I made it for Minivixels account. Oh, there he goes. Noob underscore nerdboy B. I know what you're asking. Why you name this? Why you name this username? I'm trying to think how I'm a noob. But now, look, see? I'm level 1. I create this account. Sorry for talking too much, okay? Okay. See? This time. Oh, that's gonna be hard. Complete 2. Three. Oh, guys, I really want to play. Okay, laser tag. Yeah, right here. Not bad. Paintball and rec rally. Yeah, I'm gonna do those. Yeah, I'll be fine with this. Also, I'm gonna do that to my. I keep forgetting. Oh well, I'll chat Minivixel if he wants to do the week challenge. Now it's getting a little easier from now on. So Yeah. Sorry. I read a news. So wait, hold on. I gotta charge because right now the battery's gonna die. I don't want to let the video restart because sometimes it makes a lot of restarting. Also, I gotta take a shower because I was. You're not gonna know. Anyways, none of that business. Yeah. Hello, everyone. Did I say hello, everyone in the beginning? If I didn't, I'm sorry about that. And yeah, there was a okay, you know what, that's too much. Alright. And there was news, and I just read them. You know what? I'm not gonna say. Alright. I don't know where am I?